Okay, this is for number 3. Name the vector and write it in component form. So make sure you do both of these things. Name the vector and write it in component form. Remember, when you name the vector, you're going to use the symbol for vector that looks very similar to the symbol we use for array. It's going to look like an arrow, but it won't have the bottom part of the arrow. So this is the symbol for vector. When you use the 2 points to name the vector, the initial point has to be used first. So remember, the arrow is pointing toward the terminal point, which means that A is the initial point. So we would name this vector, vector AB. It has to be in that order: initial point, then terminal point. When you write the vector in component form, remember we use angle brackets, not parentheses, for component form. The first number represents the left to right movement, and the second number represents the up and down movement. So it's very similar to the x coordinate and y coordinate, but remember, these are not coordinates, these are movements in a translation for the vector. So your left to right movement, it's important that you go in the correct direction. You're starting at point A and going towards point B. So to go from A to B, I have to go right. I have to go right 1, 2, 3 units to the right. That makes this number a positive 3. For the up and down movement, I'm going up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units. So this number is a positive 8. Remember, if we had gone left, that's a negative movement. If we had gone down, that's a negative movement. But since we went right and up, both of those numbers are positive.